And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make strawberry shortcake. It's a simple recipe. And today all you'll need is strawberries, whipped cream, a little bit of sugar, and also I have white sponge cake. So you could get these at the grocery store. They're pretty common to find, and it reminds me of my childhood. So now let's get started. Okay, so I cut up a couple of strawberries already. So what you're gonna do, let's take the strawberries. You're gonna cut the stem off and basically just cut them up. Just slice them. So, like so. Let's add it. And then I have some sugar. So what we're going to do is just sprinkle it on. So basically like a teaspoon, maybe one or two, just to coat it. So now what the sugar is going to do is to the strawberries, it's going to macerate it. And it's basically going to have the strawberries bleed out the juice. So, and then after a while, you could just have it in your refrigerator for a little bit. I would suggest have it overnight, or at least do this a couple hours ahead of time, and it's going to macerate, and you're going to have that beautiful juice. What it's going to look like is this. So you have it nice, beautiful. You have the sugar that melted into the strawberries. So as you can see, you have that juice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our sponge cake. We're going to add our strawberries. Now you want to do a healthy amount of strawberries, because that's the whole point of a strawberry shortcake. And what's beautiful too is this juice. So what I like about the sponge cake is it soaks up the juice too. So you're going to have all that strawberry goodness to the sponge cake. And now is our whipped cream. I made a homemade whipped cream. You can check out a video that I made previously on how to make homemade whipped cream. It is that recipe. I'll do a nice little dollop on top. And there we go. We have our strawberry shortcake. Here we have it. We have our strawberry shortcake. And what's amazing about this recipe is you can make it ahead of time. And then when you're ready to serve, it's ready to go. So let's dig in. That's really good. And if you like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. And now it's your turn. Thank you.